अच्छा आगा हैदर साहब, आप जर्नलिस्ट हैं तो आपने मुझसे कांटेक्ट किया है और आप मुझे कुछ बातें बताना चाह रहे थे, तो यू आर अ जर्नलिस्ट, सो व्हाट एक्चुअली आई वांट टू टॉक टू यू अबाउट द एक्सप्लोजन ऑफ PNS. So what is your views on Mehran Naval bases attack and the propaganda of foreign media? Would you tell anything about, would you can tell us something about that?
Yeah, sure. I will clear all the picture to you.
Yeah.
First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am a journalist, freelance journalist from Pakistan. My name Syed Agha Haider.
I see.
And now I'm going to start to tell the scenario, what all has happened and what are the main factors behind this all situation.
Okay, carry on.
Our government and political leaders are afraid to give, are you listening? Our government and political leaders are afraid to give clear statement, but I clearly tell to the world that naval base attack by RAW, Mossad combined action to destabilize Pakistan and mentally torching to its nation by this terror action message that the armed forces of Pakistan are not able to protect the country and its sovereign, especially nuclear assets. Absolutely wrong calculation by the foreign desk. All game was a guerrilla dramatic war, like media war used in Second World War. Forces boundary could be weakened, but strategy and the unity, strength and discipline of Pakistan army is remarkable, accepted by the international forces and proved all-time joint war exercises with all countries time by time, especially with America. Then how they can say Pakistan is not able to protect its nuclear assets? Attack on Mehran Naval Base or in the past on GSQ, of course, shocked to me and the nation, all astonished and literally depressed to me. But within a few moments, my own mind made me understood that I would like to convey my clear message forward to whole world with few points I mentioned for them to realize. Number one, since 63 years, America was so-called friend to Pakistan, but proved nothing. And the end of Russian war, Pakistan was not in need of America anymore. For this only enemy, for his only enemy, who was China, United States strengthening India, it is proved that Pakistan have no role in 911. Even though Pakistan allied US in his war on terror, but USA is still in doubt to give Pakistan F-16 and other basic help to improve his military power in this regime. United States gave F-16 and helicopter in few, but without black box and without night vision accessories. What the hell is this? Isn't that unfair? USA, Britain and Europeans should realize, did they equip Pakistan forces up to their demand without any hurdle and objection? First give all full support and equipment, then you have right to ask. Otherwise, no. Pakistan is fighting with less equipment. You can say empty-handed, fighting with terrorists on all phases. Should be appreciated. So, number two, foreign media is spreading propaganda as enemy. Why? Because Pakistan is a nuclear country and they want to prove that Pakistan is not able to protect its assets just because of Pak Air Force is not targeting drones. And everybody knows from where drones come from. Pakistan is daring just because of to be ally. Understand? Remember, behind Aman ki Asha and Samjhota Express policy, terrorists entering Pakistan since Musharraf government. Up to now, still, foreign media should realize this. Pakistan is facing unwanted and unconcerned war on terror without any sin, and in benefit, getting hatred of world. Why? I clearly say war on terror is actually war with Pakistan in different ways by all foreign countries, especially India. India blocked Pakistani waters and built dam on them to destroy Pakistani agriculture. Then where were these United Nations and foreign media? Why didn't they spoke about them, about that matter, to protect in our favor of Pakistan? They will never do, because they all are behind the Indian policies. Number 3, Kashmiris are fighting for homeland and their freedom from India, and they are called terrorists, Antagwadis. And before 1947, India was fighting against British Imperial, where they called themselves the freedom fighter, Krantikari. America is sitting in Afghanistan by grabbing his land and supporting those countries like India in all ways to keep Pakistan disturbed, especially Balochistan, to prove that Pakistan is a failed state. Not at all. Pakistan is not failed state. The people planted as political leaders by America are proved failed agent of US who are allied to him, destroying Pakistan's sovereign. US, Britain and Europe stop supporting hiddenly to Indian-made jihadis, and American-made Islamic extremists in Pakistan and in other countries, and stop creating cartoon Taliban like Osama and US national Hamami of Somalia, just for self-interest to enter those countries to grab their natural resources. People understood. Pakistan nation is very clever. They understood what is happening through the United Nations and American. They should understand. As British Imperial, now America is going to be drawn. In the last, remember, keep in your mind, Dhaka Fall was the historically biggest disaster in the Asian region. And all was happened just because Pakistani were waiting for the United States aircraft carrier at that time. And the result? Dhaka Fall. GHQ and Mehran Naval base attack could be, not surely, could be called big stigma on military establishment of Pakistan. But it is not the end of our sovereign. Must understood, Pakistani people and government, not this government, but private government, I am talking about the military, are powerful, strong. They are legible, they are very honest, very brave. They face all type of war, past, today and tomorrow. They are entering in new future. All is examination of the country and its nation. Soon they will come out of it. When there were no agent of foreign country or pro-US leadership and the government rule in Pakistan. Pakistan nation understood, and time is opening their eyes. Started now. That's all I wanted to tell you.
Okay. So you have finished your article, isn't it?
Yes, I have finished.
Okay. The thing is, I'm just gonna go because I have a little bit time to talk to you. The thing is that, in my opinion, what you said, it's okay. Everything is okay. I agree with you. But the thing is, since long time, you see, every time the Kargil attack, and then when the Pakistani army has been gone to Kargil, in the time of Musharraf, I think they defeated there, and they can we failed plenty of places. They can't imagine you. They can't control the regime of terrorist since long time. Okay, so what you can tell us about the terrorists are exist in Pakistan since long time, and the ISI agencies and army, they can't stop them. Can you imagine what the shameless situation of the Pakistan we have seeing in abroad?
Yes, of course, it's shameless, but not for Pakistani people. Shameless.
Share, yes.
Shameless for
No,
America.
no, 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 no. Don't.
Because America is paying money,
Yeah.
dollars, to their agents who were ruling and are ruling, and might be tomorrow they will rule.
They are ruling who?
Still, if the great change will not come.
No,
Whenever American agent sits on the main posts, bottom to peak, they will never allow Pakistan to establish their power.
Mr. Haider,
Intelligence.
Mr. Haider, listen to me. The thing is, they are paying who? Tell me, if you can't save your house, you can't save your mahalla, you can't save your city, you can't save your country. Yeah, I mean, military and agencies are the top of the places they are sitting over there. They have the power to control everything. Since 10 years, terrorism is going higher than higher, and innocent people are dying. Right? Don't you think they are not capable to control the Pakistan?
Your voice is crumbled.
Okay, doesn't matter. Okay.
Not clear.
Okay, I'm just asking that, in my opinion, when you are boss of the company, you have to control your company. So I think that this is very sad, but the truth is,
I think sometimes some kind of communication problem is there. Voice is crumbled. I cannot hear you very clear.
okay. Anyhow, listen. I can speak slowly. Then you can listen. Give me a short answer. Okay. The thing is, why the agencies and why the army is not going to control. They are not capable to control the terrorism which is happening in Pakistan. Why?
That's very good answer. Because there is only one answer of this question. Why America used Pakistan against the Russia? Why? When he used the Pakistan against the Russia, the extremists automatically born. Even America created all extremists, jihadis, to destroy Russia. Russia was not in favor of or brought his plan to destroy Pakistan. He never thought about to crush Pakistan. He never thought. Because America was thinking, if Pakistan is established country, he cannot get his resources. In this just recent column, you have heard, America and the foreign countries, they always destabilize those countries where are natural resources and they cannot get easily, because people of that country resist. They say, this is our natural resources, why should we give you? And when they think this is not the easy way to get,
Okay.
They plant their agents.
Okay, okay.
And agent could be in army, agent could be in politics, agent could be in mullahs, agent could be in a common man. One another thing, in Musharraf opened gates for India. Come, enter without visa. Huh? Many agents, I think more than 40,000 people enter in Pakistan. They made Nadra's identity card. They buy here properties. They married here. They took loans from here and go back to India. They never give back loan, and that all has happened. And Pakistan has become agent's country.
Mr. Haider, listen, I have very short time. Okay, I have 5 minutes to talk to you, and then I have to go. The thing is, what happened behind everything? What is gone? It's okay. The thing is, now responsibility has been on agencies and army, not on the politicians. Okay, the thing is, the army and the agencies have their duty to control their nation and their country and their situation of the Pakistan. Okay, this is not the bloody politicians. Politicians, they are corrupt and criminals. Okay, but now army and agencies have to give a proof to the world. Now this is the time they have to give a proof to the world that they are sincere with the Pakistan and they can bring the right person to command the Pakistan, and they have to make new policies, best policies, and they have to stop electoral system, and they have to bring the change in few months. Otherwise, I'm telling you, all over the world, the people living abroad, they are.
Electricity off.
Okay.
This is the main problem of Pakistan.
Okay.
Next time when I will talk to you later on,
okay,
and we will discuss on those all points.
Okay. See you. Okay. Thanks for anyhow, Mr. Agha Haider Jawad, the journalist from Pakistan. Thank you. ये जर्नलिस्ट थे आगा हैदर जवाद पाकिस्तान से, जो मुझसे बात कर रहे थे ये जो मेहरान नेवल पे अटैक हुआ उसके बारे में। तो आप इसको दोबारा सुनिएगा सब लोग कि उनका मौक़िफ़ क्या है, कि वो क्या कह रहे थे कि भाई किस वजह से अटैक हुआ और क्या हुआ। बहरहाल हमारा मौक़िफ़ क्या था हमने बयान किया, उनका मौक़िफ़ क्या था उन्होंने बयान किया। तो वहाँ कम एज़ यूजुअल जब बिजली चली जाती है पाकिस्तान में तो बिजली चली गई, जिसकी वजह से हमारा राब्ता कट गया। तो दोबारा बात होगी तो फिर मैं आपको मज़ीद बताऊंगा कि उन्होंने क्या कहा। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच, बाय।